Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing an Among Us ice cream cone. The first step we're going to take is to draw the cone. It's just a curved line down and in, and then we're going to kind of make a V pattern. So come down and in, and when you get to the very bottom, that's when you make a little rounded curve to make a cone. Now let's make our first layer of yummy crewmates by going around making these little W patterns until you get to the other side and go in just like that. Now let's come back over here, bring it up over here, same thing, bring it up, and then our next crewmate is going to go on top of this one. So make that layer going around and up. Same thing, we're going to make two lines up. Here's one, here's another. There we go. And then let's make another pattern of W's all the way around and curve it. There we go. Our last one, we could just make a big giant upside down U or rainbow to finish it. And then I like to put a cherry on top because it's yummy. So make a little half circle like this and then make the cherry stem come out. Very nice. So to make our crewmates, let's start by making a visor. It's just a big curved oval like that. So for this next one, I'm going to show you again. It's just a curve. And then when you keep going, make another curve around and keep going up to the top to curve into the center. There we go. Let's make one more visor up here. I'm going to curve it around and very yummy. Now for my top one, I enjoy lots of hot fudge. So I'm going to make this layer look like it's dripping. So just make these kind of drips that go around and then across. And that'll be your hot fudge on top. And for some of these, you can make them whatever flavor you want. One of mine is going to be mint chip because I love it. So let's make little curves like this all the way around. And then these will be our little chips inside of our mint. Just kind of make some small, some big. I'm just gonna kind of randomly do it, but it's up to you. There we go. My last layer is gonna have a lot of sprinkles because I love sprinkles too. So for the sprinkles, it's just a cone that looks like that. So just keep making these little cone patterns this way and that way and upside down, whatever you want for your yummy crewmate Sunday ice cream. There we go. For the bottom cone, I think I'm gonna make it look like it's in space. So just make little circles everywhere, and these will be the dots for the stars. So wherever your circle is, leave that white when you color it in, and then everything else will be black like space. So I'm gonna make it space themed. A couple more circles in here, and that should do it. Okay, let's color it in. Here's our crewmate stack of ice cream. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and I will see you next time if you subscribed. Bye!